Irambul Ashad and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm gonna give you the review of MAC Compact and Foundation. As I have already told you in my previous videos that I will give you the full review on this MAC products like foundation and compact. So let's get started. Firstly, I will start with the packaging. It comes in a carton like this, and inside it a glass bottle is there, and a little inconvenience is there that it comes in a glass bottle, and that is a good thing, but it didn't come in a pump form. Means we will have to be little careful while taking out क्योंकि ये थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा निकल जाएगा. So this is little inconvenience, but that's okay, that's fine. The quality does matter, and the quantity and the packaging is a secondary thing, you know. So it is clearly mentioned here that this is SPF 15, and guys, this is the best thing of this product. Means for me, there is not like foundation doesn't need any SPF, and you don't need to wear any sunscreen before applying the foundation. Means obviously we don't apply any sunscreen before applying the foundation, and it is not necessary, you can say also, because it is already it create already a shield for you on your skin. So I'm not saying that you need to apply on a daily basis for making a shield on your face. Means I'm talking about the foundation, that it's a very nice thing, it's a very best thing about this product, that this is having SPF 15. Means with giving you the full coverage on your skin, it also protects your skin from the sun rays. Means double shield for your skin against the sun rays. So it's a very best thing, you know. And I bought it from the store, and that was of around 3000. There was not any discount on this product, and generally MAC पे कोई discount नहीं आता है. You can also buy from the online website, but the cost will be the same. Means generally on MAC there is never any discount on the MAC products. So if you know the shade of your foundation, then you can obviously purchase from the online store, means online website. And in the packaging, my shade is your shade is clearly mentioned here. It's NC25. This is on the outer packaging of the product, and as you can see, means you don't need to see anywhere, you don't need to see इधर उधर की ये shade कहाँ है. और सारे brands में जैसे हम अपना शेड ढूंढते हैं, इस पे ये चीज़ बहुत अच्छी है कि हमें ढूंढने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. And this gives you full coverage, and also this gives you the full matte finish on your skin. Means it gives you a matte look on your skin. From my opinion, that a foundation should be matte finish, you know. Like मुझे MAC की सबसे अच्छी बात ये यही लगी कि वो सिर्फ मैट फिनिश पे ही फोकस करता है. बिकॉज इफ़ वी डू मेकअप, वी यूज टू अप्लाई द हाईलाइटर एंड द मेकअप फिक्सर ऑल्सो, एंड बोथ आर फॉर शाइनिंग, you know. Means we do highlight for shining, and then at the last we spray the makeup fixer. That also should be in the dewy form, you know, that because that is very good for your makeup. And also before makeup, you need to moisturize your skin very well. Your makeup should look perfect, and it will not look cakey on your skin. So all the things for glowy and shiny, I don't think this is good. Means in सब के बाद your foundation need to be matte finish, so that it could balance all of your glowy and the matte and the shiny look, all of these things, so that it would not look odd on your face. And इसके बावजूद, if you don't want the matte finish, if your skin is too much dry, if you don't want to go with the matte look, then you should not go for this product. And also a good thing about this foundation, that you don't need to apply the concealer. Means like on my face, I usually don't apply the concealer. Just apply twice on your corrected area. If you want to correct some of the uncorrected areas, then you need to apply twice this foundation twice. That's it. Means but if you're having too much corrected areas, if you're having too much hyperpigmented areas and the scars, then obviously you will need the concealer. But for me, I don't use. And also with that price, ये बहुत ही कम क्वांटिटी लगती है. आपको उसको बिल्कुल ज़रा सा चाहिए, आप अपने अच्छे से इसे ब्लेंड करिए अपने स्किन पर, और all you need to do only and only just blend very well on your skin. और ये इसके बाद आपको अच्छे से ब्लेंड करने के बाद योर मेकअप, योर फाउंडेशन विल नॉट गोना अवे एनीवेयर फ्रॉम योर स्किन, ट्रस्ट मी.
Now let me show you by applying also. Just take a little bit of the foundation and take the sponge, and as you know that how to apply the foundation, firstly you have to wet a little bit of the sponge and then do the under eyes. And as you can see, the eyes has been corrected very well. And as you can see, all the pigmented areas has gone. And now come to the all over face. Just take a little bit of the foundation as before. Blend all over your face very well, just like this. And yeah, the most important thing is to dab, dab and dab. And you have to dab the foundation and blend the foundation very well so that it could not get away anywhere from your face. And by doing that, the makeup and the foundation will sit on your face for a long time, and it will look natural also. So now the foundation is done.
Now come to the next one, the compact, again from MAC, and this comes with a very nice packaging like this carton, and my shade is NC35, and it comes in a very cute and a small box like this. Yeah, my shade is NC35 and it is clearly mentioned here. It means you don't need to see idhar udhar on your product. Let me show you how to open this. Just click this button and your compact is here, and inside this there is a small sponge. ये इसको आप थोड़ा सा ऊपर उठाइए, 2 लेयर में है ये, इसके अंदर एक अच्छा सा स्पंज आता है और ब्लेंडर वॉट एवर यू वांट टू से यू कैन से, एंड जिससे कि ये बहुत ही अच्छे से ब्लेंड हो जाता है आपका ये मेकअप, जो आपका मेकअप है बहुत अच्छे से सेट हो जाएगा, बहुत अच्छे से ब्लेंड हो जाएगा, और अपने जहाँ जहाँ आपने मेकअप सेट करना है आप उसे सेट कर सकते हैं. एंड द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग अबाउट दिस प्रोडक्ट, लाइक मेरे हिसाब से तो ये सारी लड़कियों को ये चीज़ बहुत ही अच्छी लगेगी, दैट इट्स अ काइंड ऑफ आयरन बॉक्स. आपको इसे दिखाने के लिए ला रही थी तो ये 2 बार ही मुझसे गिर गया, मीन्स यू कैन इमेजिन 2 times ये 2 बार गिरा, और एंड आई वॉज लाइक हो माई कॉम्पैक्ट इज गॉन, बट आई वॉज सरप्राइज दैट नथिंग हैपन टू दिस प्रोडक्ट, नॉट इवन अ स्क्रैच केम ऑन दिस प्रोडक्ट. It was literally very surprising. Yes, you can see not any of the scratch, and trust me, मैं इसे आपको दोबारा गिरा कर नहीं दिखाऊंगी because I can't take any risk. But ये सच में 2 बार मुझसे गिरा, और I don't know, तो ये बहुत ही अच्छी चीज़ है इस कॉम्पैक्ट की, क्योंकि हम जनरली बहुत कॉन्शियस रहते हैं कि ट्रैवलिंग के टाइम पे कि हम अपने हैंड बैग में रखेंगे, और जनरली वो कॉम्पैक्ट क्या होता है, जनरली अदर ब्रांड्स में वो कॉम्पैक्ट टूट जाता है. मेरे साथ तो ये कई बार हो चुका है. सो इट इज़ ऑल्सो अ ट्रैवल फ्रेंडली, बहुत ही छोटा सा स्मॉल सा क्यूट सा बॉक्स है, और बहुत ही ज़्यादा स्पेस भी नहीं लेगा आपके बैग में, हैंड बैग में. बहुत ईजिली ये कहीं भी एडजस्ट हो जाएगा, और आपको बिल्कुल भी कॉन्शियस रहने की ज़रूरत नहीं है दैट इट विल गोना ब्रेक और कहीं कुछ हो ना जाए. इट गिव्स अ नाइस लुक. मीन्स मुझे फाउंडेशन से भी ज़्यादा ये कॉम्पैक्ट पसंद आया. मीन्स girls, if you don't like the foundation, if you don't want to go with the matte finish, then definitely you must try this at once. This is the best compact till ever now for me. कि shades इतने सारे, it is having a large variety of shades. I don't think that if you are having any kind of a stone, also you will find your shade in this brand. I will also show you the look of this compact also.
So here I will show you that how you will apply this compact and how it looks on your face. Just a little bit of that, and you don't need to apply too much. Just pack your makeup with this compact. That's it. So the MAC look is ready, and I will also show you my final look after a little makeup.
So दैट्स इट फॉर टुडे एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग. आई होप कि आपको मेरा ये वीडियो बहुत पसंद आया हो और आपके लिए काफ़ी हेल्पफुल रहा हो. तो प्लीज़ कमेंट सेक्शन में मुझे ज़रूर बताइएगा और प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा.
So here is the final look after a little makeup. So, and also you can say the MAC look. And if you really like this video, then please do like, and please tell me that how much it is helpful for you. And thank you so much.